Want unlimited fun with endless dice rolls in Monopoly Go? Here's the smartest way to instantly receive Monopoly Go free rolls right in your game app. We've discovered an online method that gives you access to Monopoly Go free dice without needing to pay or wait. All you have to do is go to the source, provide your game's user ID, select your platform, Android or iOS, and choose the number of dice rolls you'd like. Before the magic happens, there's a quick step to complete. You'll be prompted to verify by downloading a game and playing until you reach level 9. This ensures your request is genuine. Based on where you are, the verification task might change slightly. Just follow the given steps and you're all set. Once completed, your Monopoly Go dice are sent to your account instantly. No hacks, no cheats, no risks. This works as one of the most reliable Monopoly Go free dice links available today, and completely safe to use. It doesn't ask for your password or any sensitive info, just what's needed to send your rolls. Plus, some users have reported getting extra Monopoly Go free spins as a bonus after successful verification. Skip the grind, forget the fake Monopoly Go cheats, and try this working method. Claim your free dice now and enjoy the thrill of endless rolls.